In this video, I am going to show you how to print pyramid star pattern using C programming language. Here I am using online GDBC compiler to run C program, but you can use Turbo C++ or other code editors also. Follow these steps to print pyramid star pattern. 1. Declare all required variables. 2. Accept input number from user which shows size of the pyramid. Use variable NUM to store input value. 3. Run one outer for loop from 1 to number. 4. To print spaces run inner for loop from I to number -1. And to print star run another one inner for loop from 1 to I. 5. For new row, move to next line using \n. Click on Run button to run this code. Enter the input number to print pattern. For more C programming exercises and examples, visit our blog called codeforhunger.com. Here you can find different type of C programming exercises with their solutions. For example, basic C programming, if-else statements in C, loops in C, arrays in C, and many more. Here click on Pattern Programs in C. Here you can find both star and number pattern examples. Check out the link in description.